In this video, you'll learn how to deploy your Claude Code app to Vercel. By following these steps, you will successfully prepare your application, install the necessary tools, and deploy it for public access. Start by ensuring your Claude Code app functions correctly on your local machine. Open your command line interface and navigate to your project directory by typing cdc projects Claude app. Depending on your app setup, run python app.py quote if you are using Python, or node index.js quote if your app is built with node.js. This step is crucial because it confirms that your application is ready for deployment. Next, check to see that you have the necessary dependency files. If you are using node.js, ensure there is a quote package.json quote file present in your project directory. For Python applications, a quote requirements.txt quote file is required to list your dependencies. Having these files ready will facilitate the installation of necessary packages during deployment. Now open PowerShell to install the Vercel CLI. Type and pm install -g Vercel to install the Vercel command line interface globally on your system. This tool will allow you to manage your deployments easily. Once the installation is complete, verify it by typing Vercel-version. This command will display the installed version of the Vercel CLI, confirming that it is ready for use. The next step involves logging into your Vercel account. Enter the command Vercel login in PowerShell. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Vercel account. After entering your email, check your inbox for a verification link from Vercel and follow the instructions to complete the login process. Once logged in, it's important to add your Claude Code environment variables. Vercel allows you to securely manage these variables directly from the CLI. Use the command Vercel endadd variable _name production to add your environment variables. For instance, if you need to add your Claude API key, type Vercel endadd cld _API _key production. If you have additional variables for staging or development, repeat this command with the appropriate variable names. Now initialize your Vercel project by navigating back to your project folder. Enter the command Vercel init. You will be prompted to choose whether to link to an existing project if it is already hosted on GitHub, or to create a new project. Select the appropriate option and then specify your framework, which can be node.js, Python, or static. Confirm the project name and directory to finalize this step. To deploy your app to Vercel, use the command Vercel-prod. This command will push your application to the production environment. Once the deployment is complete, the CLI will output a live URL, which will look something like https://claudeapp.vercel.app. This link is where your app can be accessed publicly. Finally, if your Claude Code app interacts with an API, it is essential to test the connection. Use the command invoke rest method -uri https://claudeapp.vercel.app/api/ace method post body-content type application /JSON. This command will send a test request to your API and confirm whether your API key environment variable is being read correctly by the application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.